Good morning. Since we're not in class today, I wanted to give you an idea of what we would be doing for our lesson today. So we're going to do art at home, and what I need for you to do is go find any paper and any pencil that you can draw with. And I want you to make room for 6 different drawings, because if we were doing this in class, you would have a journal and you would have 6 different boxes in your journal. Today, we are going to be talking about near and far. If you were in kindergarten here last year, you might remember the silly Grover video that we watched. I'm actually going to post that on your Google Classroom as well today because it's just such a silly video, but it's a good way to remember what near and far looks like when we do art. When we do art, we can't make our art look far away and near unless we know how to do it, because your paper is flat. You can't make a snowman in the beginning of your paper and a tree in the back of your paper because your paper is just flat. So it's really, really hard to figure out how to do this unless you learn how to watch for how things really look when they're close or far. So if we were doing this in class, we'd go out in the hallway and we would choose someone to do this activity for us. But today you're going to have to draw me. I always said that I'm never going to have kids draw me because it's always scary when you guys do. But today I'm going to let you draw me. So right now, I am pretty near to you. I am close to the camera. I can get closer. I'm closer. But now, this is a pretty good place to start. So I would like you to get your paper and your pencil, and I would like you to draw what I look like when I am near. And I want you to think about, you see all of me? Probably not. I only see up to about here. I want you to think, how much of the picture that you're looking at do I take up? Am I the biggest thing in the picture? Am I the smallest thing? So go ahead, you can press pause on your video, and I want you to go ahead and draw me. And when you're done, you can unpause. And now I'm going to get a little further away, and I want you to see what happens. Do you see more of me now? Can you see my legs better? Can you see my feet yet? I want you to go ahead and draw me as I look now. You can pause the video. And when you're done drawing, you can unpause. And I'm going to take a few more steps back. And now I want you to notice, do you see all of me? Is there floor between me and you? Can you see that floor now? Am I closer to the back of my room? If you've noticed, it may be hard to see on your video, but if you look really closely, there is a blue line that is a really, really important line in our room. It's called the horizon. I put the blue line up here at the front of the room by my Christmas tree. And I put it right where my floor and my wall meet. That is the horizon. Can you say that word with me? Horizon. Horizon means this is where it changes direction. This is where the floor and the wall come together. So it stops going this way and starts going this way. So put one arm up like this. This is your flat part. And put one arm up like this. This is your going up and down part. And where they meet is your horizon. Let's do that together. Horizon. One more time. Arm flat like this. Other arm up like this. Put them together. That is your horizon. Go ahead and draw me right now where I'm at. Or you can pause. And I want you to check after you're done drawing where I am compared to the horizon. I want you to see if I get closer or farther away to it as I get away from you. I'm going to take some more steps back. Go ahead and draw me. I know it's really, really hard to see now, probably a little hard to hear because you are all the way on the other side of the room from me. Think about how much more of me do you see? Think about what size I am, and think about where my feet are compared to the blue line called the horizon. You can go ahead and draw me now. And when you are done drawing, I'm going to move some more steps back. And I'm going to stop here. And I want you to see how much floor is between me and you now, and how much floor is between me and the horizon, or where the wall and the floor come together. Go ahead and pause the video and draw me. And then I'm going to move back one last time. And now I am all the way up to the horizon. Do you see this little blue line down here? This is our horizon. I'm going to stand right in front of it. And I want you to draw me the way I look right now. You can go ahead and pause the video. So what did you notice as I got further away? Was it easier to see me when I was up close? Was it harder to see me when I was far away? Was I bigger when I was close and smaller when I was far away, or the other way around? Did you see more of the floor between me and you when I was close or far away? I want you to think about those things. When we come back in class, we're going to talk about them a little bit, and we're going to see how to draw things so that they look far away. And I want you to look at your 6 drawings and see which one, if you didn't know, which one is the furthest away one of me. When you are done, you can snap a picture of this and send it to me on Google Classroom. We may also do some work on this in class, just to help you get ready for our next project, which is going to be how to draw things near and far. So I'm going to have this video on Google Classroom. I will also have our silly YouTube video of Grover that is just for fun. You can watch it or you don't have to watch it. And make sure that you send me a picture. You can upload it on Google Classroom or have mom or dad take a picture of it on their phone, and they can just email it to me at noble.sonia@mcsflames.org. First grade, I miss you. I hope you guys are practicing for your program, and I will see you hopefully very, very soon.